The time building is a crucial stage of the training during the beginning of a pilot career. During the private pilot course, the student flies just 10 hours alone. If you wish to join to a commercial pilot course, the European regulation requires you gain experience flying alone. The minimum solo flying activity is about 100 hours. This stage is called time gliding or sometime hours building. With a PPL, the student is able to rent a simple aircraft like a Cessna 150 to plan and fly any kind of route, obviously in visual flight rules because he's not yet instruments rated. The time building is also very funny because as a pilot in command, the student will choose for himself where and when fly, which airport attending, and how to manage his flying activity at 360 degrees. In the past there was the habit to fly in the United States, this because the price for the rent and for the fuel in that area is cheapest than Europe. Nowadays in Europe there are good options to fly at a reasonable price. In the Eastern Europe, the student can fly with a low price as €100 for 1 hour of flight, included fuel and often the landing fees too. The suggestion to save money is try to looking for a private society in Poland that permit you to fly with this kind of fare. If you are interested to fly in Poland, optimizing your budget, please, feel free to write me and I will help you to find the right place for you.